welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you a very exciting dish, chicken fried rice, and we have about 6 ingredients. We will have a leftover rice, we will have bell peppers, red onion, soy sauce, salt, and oil. I hope you will enjoy today's dish. Let's go and cook together. We are going to cut our meat into small cubes. Then we will just, because it is very soft, we will boil for almost 10 minutes before we start to cook it for it in our rice. Going to add a little amount of water and salt. Then I will boil it for 10 minutes in a medium heat. Because my rice is small, just for one person serving, so I'm just going to use half of the bell. Okay, our ingredients are well chopped, and as well as our meat is now fine. So we are going to stir fry all our veggies together with meat. Then we will add our spices and rice at last. So I'm just going to start with cooking oil. I'm using sunflower oil. You can use any oil of your choice, but make sure that the oil will be having higher smoking point. Now I'm going to add my onions. I'll put them together with carrots because carrots are more harder than bellies. So I'm going to fry them in a very high heat. Add my meat chicken. You can mix the chicken or make them um, smaller than this way. But for me, I like this. Add my bell peppers, both red and green, and I will also add my rice. My rice is 1 day old, so it is not going to stick so much than the fresh rice. I'm also going to add my soy sauce to add flavor and color. At this time, I should just add a little salt. Rice is ready, and I'm just going to serve it so that you can enjoy. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed, and don't forget to comment and tell me what do you think about this dish. Thank you. See you on the next video.